Today we are discussing one very important concept of statistics, which is used in research. And here today we would use that tool with the help of regression. So the tool name is moderation. What is moderation? The first of all, we need to understand what it is. In fact, see, when we have got two variables, independent and dependent variable, so the change in independent variable will bring a change in the dependent variable. But the presence of a moderator or a third variable, what it would do, that it will change the strength of relationship between independent and dependent variable. At one level, it may be stronger. At the other level, it may be weaker. We take an example here that marks of students are related to time given to study. Students, if they give more time to study, they will get better marks. And if they give less time to study, they will get less marks. But now we introduce a new thing that is sleep quality. If students have a good sleep quality, what will happen that when they give more time, the effect on marks will be highly pronounced. But if they have a bad sleep quality, and now if they give more time to study, the effect will not be so much pronounced. So, in this relationship, time given to study is independent variable, marks is the dependent variable, and sleep quality is a moderator. And the relationship between time given to study and marks is strong when sleep quality is good. And the relationship between time given to study and marks is weak when sleep quality is bad. Now, how can we run regression? That is something very important. So, see, for regression or for any of the things, any of the data analysis, we would definitely need data. Data is the input into regression or any of the statistical analysis. Here we have got two variables right now: time given to study and sleep quality, and we can see the dependent variable mark. But definitely we need an interaction term. How do we create an interaction term? We have got two variables, time given to study and sleep quality. If we multiply them together, we will get an interaction term. We are going to do it. We have already done it, but we will do it once more for you. Have a look. We are doing it through Excel. Okay. Now we go to Excel file, and there you can see that we have got base data. Okay. That has got time given to study and sleep quality. In between, I create a new variable. Okay, insert. I can have insert. Okay, and here I know I name it T in sleep quality. Okay, so I've named it, and this way, what I do that I multiply this. Okay, after inserting that equal to sign, those who are the regular user of Excel, they would know it quite well. And if those who don't know it, so now this is the interaction term. Okay, look at the formula. Okay, when it is dragged, the same thing is copied down there. I'll show you it in another cell. Okay, so see, two cells are multiplied, and we get the interaction term. Now we have got the data. Now the second step after calculating this interaction term that we can run the regression line. And as you remember that we used to do it with the help of data and data analysis. Once we come here, regression is already selected. We click on it. And now what we need output range and input range. Okay, the output range is sleep quality. Okay. In input range, I pick two variables, time given to study and the interaction term. Okay, sometimes they take all of them, like time given to study, sleep quality, and interaction terms. But here I'm taking the two to show you the results. Okay. Now if I click this OK, definitely I would get the results. And here R square 0.90, you already know. It's meaning that this model explains 90% variation in the data, but we are more interested in here in this coefficient and the p-value. And if you can have a look at this, p-value, the interaction term is positive. It means that with a good sleep quality, time given to study will have a better effect on marks. And here 0.001 less than 0.05. So this interaction term or the moderation effect of sleep quality on marks is positively significant. That we have done, I will show you it here once more. You might have a look here. We have done it. We have shown you that how we created this interaction term. Now, this we've already shown you. Okay, And these are the results. You can see a beautiful graph made up there. In research paper, you see this graph, and there is a question that how do we create it? Definitely, we would teach it to you that how it can be made. But right now, we would not go in quite much detail because it would require more understanding of Excel. But at least we would share one file with you that will help you to create a file like this, to create a graph like this. How to draw a moderation graph. First, draw equation. Okay. In our case, this is the equation, then create table, and then draw graph. So we are going to do it for you. And then you would have a graph, not the graph here. This graph, you would have a similar graph. Okay. So now I go to the Excel again. And here I have got the graph. I put all the values here. You remember that intercept value from there, if we can copy it somewhere. Okay. These are 27. I'll copy it here, and so I can easily put in the graph values. That I've created one formula. Okay, I'll show you that how I put value. This is 27.87. Okay, I can copy it, but I don't want to write the complete value for 27.87 and minus 3.75, minus 3.75. Okay, and now last 1.77 that output. Okay. Now you can see that the table which I created, definitely it contains some formula in it. So you can have a look at formula that what it refers to, and you can see here at the other place that what it refers to. So we have created the data. This data table is very important. Without this data table, it would be impossible for you to create this moderation graph. So once I've selected this data, I can go to insert and insert. I can have this. Okay. This is called scatter diagram, but they have named it bubble chart. Insert scatter. Okay. So that's good. Okay. Now I've selected this. Okay. And I have something very strange. Time given to study 1 in 5. I want to switch. Okay. Rows and columns. Now, once I click this switch row and column, so now you can see good sleep quality and bad sleep quality has become a moderator. But the chart is not clear. Okay? This quick layout is something which I really appreciate, and I can see that this one gives me a lot of things. I'll show you this FX. See, it also provides you the equation line, but we are not interested right now in it. Okay, once I've got it, what I do that I don't need this, I remove it. I don't need this, I remove it. Now I'll make some changes. For example, this is time given to study. I have it time given to study. And here I will make something that is called marks. I've got marks as well. Okay, the submit. Now we can see that these lines can be changed as well. If I come here, I click on this black and this solid line. So that become a solid line. Okay, good sleep quality. Now this one, this color is not so much visible. I make it black again, and this time I change the style to this one, and now I can see it. Okay, this is quite good, and now I can change the place of this. Okay, and then I can increase the size. Okay, so now we can see that we have got. In fact, I don't like these lines a lot, so I can delete them. Okay? So after deleting these lines, it can become a bit easy to read. Okay, so we have created the graph, and if I copy it from here, then I take it to the file which I was having, Control M, and here I can insert it. Okay, I'll insert it. So now you consider, but there is something missing. Okay, it's not visible. I think. Okay, if I make it black, so it might become visible. Still not. Okay, some problem. But definitely you can with the some help you would be able to do it. But this is the way we create the graph, and I think that we have done it. So if I want to provide a recap, so what we did, we defined moderation. Then we told you that how we can draw the moderation graph, moderation equation, and the regression equation, and the moderation effect. How we can show it, and finally the moderation graph. It is pertinent to go to this table here. The coefficient, you can see it. The coefficients are there, and if we want to describe them, The moderation impact is positive 1.77, and if we look at the p-value, it is significant. So moderation term has a positive significant impact on the dependent variable, which is marks. So thanks. We have completed. We will meet in the other video. Thanks for watching.